Run, jump, swim, or even doggy paddle. It's pool time. And to make pool life more enjoyable, allow us to introduce the Aiper Scuba S1. Everything you need to start cleaning is right here. Outstanding cleaning performance, user-friendly features, and self-parking technology make this the premier way to ensure your pool is spotless year-round. Let's charge our Scuba S1. When the LED indicator light is solid, your Scuba S1 is fully charged and ready to conquer your pool. 4 cleaning modes allow users to choose the cleaning job that's right for their pool each time. Up to 70 gallons per minute of suction and dual active brushes make easy work of the dirt and debris on your pool floor. The Scuba S1's uniquely designed caterpillar treads make easy work of navigating your pool, including any obstacles. And provide superior tracking when climbing and cleaning your pool walls and waterline. WavePath Navigation 2.0 increases the efficiency and cleaning choices your Scuba S1 makes. Eco Mode is a new feature that allows you to achieve a continuous clean. When selecting Eco Mode, you'll leave your Scuba S1 in your pool, where it will clean the floor every 48 hours for 45 minutes throughout the week. And the Scuba S1, thanks to its sophisticated water purging system, is ultra portable and easy to retrieve. Maintenance is simple. Remove the debris bin from your device, empty it out into a trash bin, rinse, and you're all set. The Aiper Scuba S1, on track to perform.